Welcome to Daniel Scott Design. My name is Daniel, and I'm grateful to be your host as I cover a wide range of digital marketing solutions and technologies. I hope to share my learning experiences with you in the fields of my profession, which is web design, photography, cinematography, marketing strategy, and analytics. It's my experience that having general knowledge, not expert knowledge, but general knowledge in these areas will tremendously increase your ability to be successful in your entrepreneurial endeavors. Over the past 10 plus years, I've been a photographer and web developer, and just over the past couple of years, I've grown my experience as a cinematographer, directing a couple short films, producing commercial shoots, as well as interviews. It's a really exciting time to get into video, and it's becoming an essential asset to have in your digital marketing tool belt. And so as I embark on this YouTube endeavor, as I reach 100 videos, 200 videos, I want to take you there along with me for this journey. And so please subscribe, please comment below, and I will see you in the next video.